Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete old Facebook account that you cannot access. So if you got an old Facebook account you cannot log in into anymore, in this full guide I'll show you how you can delete a Facebook account you no longer have access to step by step. So first, why can you access it? So is it a forgotten password, lost email, or was it hacked? Each case has a slightly different approach, but I'll guide you through all of them. So first, you can go to your browser. Here, just go to this page, facebook.com/login/identify, this one. And in here on this page you can just add your phone number, or you can also search by email address instead in here, and Facebook will try to match it to your old account and show recovery options. So just enter your number in here, or if you want to do by email you can just tap on search by email and type on email and click on continue, and just wait for Facebook to show you the recovery options. So if your recovery email or phone number is still active, you can use it to reset your password. If not, you can skip to the next steps. So if you cannot access the account, you can just go to the old profile. So you can just open your Facebook in here and find the profile, your old Facebook profile in here. Just search for it in here, and then you can let's say I'm going to just open a random one in here. So you can just here tap on the three dots icon and choose to click on this report profile, and here you can just click on something about this profile. Then you can just tap on this fake profile, and in here you can choose me options. So this will tell Facebook the account is unwanted or fake because it's trying to pretend to be you, let's say. So next you can just go to the Facebook deletion request forms. So in here I'm going to just again go back to the browser and find the Facebook deletion request. Just search for it. Okay, in here you can just go to the Facebook in here and just fill in the form. You can fill in the account details and explain that you cannot access it but want it removed. And after that you can just submit the identity proof, but this is optional. So Facebook may ask for proof of identity like a photo ID that matches the account name, and this is optional but increases your chances if it's your real name. And once submitted, you can just wait a few days. Facebook will review and either deactivate or permanently remove the account if it meets the criteria. And that's how you can delete a Facebook account you cannot access in 2025. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment if you have questions. Bye.